Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Are you having trouble sticking to your workout routine? You're not alone. Many of us start on this journey with burning enthusiasm, only to find that flame flicker out over weeks or months. But don't worry, it's not the end of the road. In this video, we're sharing some practical and actionable tips for maintaining consistency in your workouts. So, if you're ready to transform from fit to fab, let's dive into the world of consistent workouts. Starting with the basics, set realistic goals. It's essential to carve out a fitness journey that aligns with your abilities and lifestyle. Striving for the stars is great, but setting overly ambitious goals can lead to frustration and burnout. Reflect on your individual capabilities and what you genuinely want to achieve. Then, map out a plan that's both challenging and achievable. This balance is key to maintaining motivation and consistency. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Once you have your goals, it's time to make a schedule. Imagine your workout routine as an important meeting, one you simply can't miss. Carve out dedicated time slots in your calendar for exercise and treat them with priority. Whether it's a sunrise yoga session or a post-work run, having a set routine helps establish a rhythm. And remember, it's not about finding time, it's about making time. Consistency breeds success, so stick to your schedule. Now let's spice things up a bit. Incorporating variety into your workout regimen can make a world of difference. It's like taking a road trip. You wouldn't want to drive the same route every time, right? The same goes for your workouts. Incorporate different types of exercises like strength training, cardio, yoga, or even dance. This not only keeps things interesting and fun, but also ensures you're working different muscle groups and avoiding plateaus. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Having a workout buddy and tracking your progress can be game changers. Indeed, a fitness journey is often more rewarding when it's shared. A workout buddy not only makes the process more enjoyable, but they also hold you accountable. You become each other's cheerleaders, pushing one another to stay on track and reach those fitness goals. Then, there's the power of progress tracking. Be it through a fitness journal or an app, keeping tabs on your progress is a crucial motivator. It's about seeing how far you've come, recognizing the steps you've taken, and the improvements you've made. It's about celebrating those small victories and using any setbacks as stepping stones to learn and grow. And remember, it's not all about the numbers. It can be as simple as noticing you can lift a heavier weight or run a little farther. Each little triumph is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Celebrate your wins, learn from your setbacks, and keep pushing forward. Rewarding yourself and listening to your body are also crucial for maintaining consistency. Think about it. If you've been consistently hitting your workouts and reaching those milestones, it's time to celebrate. Set up a reward system. Maybe it's a massage after a month of consistent workouts, or some new workout gear when you reach a personal best. These rewards serve as motivation and a tangible acknowledgement of your hard work. Now let's talk about the flip side of the coin. Rest and recovery. Fitness isn't just about pushing through every workout. It's about tuning into your body and giving it the rest it needs. If you're feeling overly tired or notice persistent discomfort, it's your body's way of saying, "Hey, I need a break." Don't ignore those signals. Instead, take the time to rest, recover, and rejuvenate. Remember, your body is your temple. Treat it with respect, and it will reward you with results. So, there you have it, our top tips for staying consistent with your workouts. We've talked about setting realistic goals, sticking to a schedule, adding variety to your regimen, tracking your progress, and rewarding your achievements. Now, it's your turn to apply these tips and transform your fitness journey. Stay consistent, stay fit, and let's turn your fitness goals into reality. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more fitness tips.